Hi guys, welcome to IT networking. And spinning tool is not working. Spinning shortcut is not working. So how to fix? So guys, firstly click to start button, then click to setting. In app, install app, and search Snippy, and click to three dot, then advanced. Scroll down, click to reset, then click to repair, then back. Again guys, click to store, search store, and three dot to advance. Scroll down, click to repair, then close, then search, and then right click to pin taskbar. Then guys, you check it is working. Okay, thank you.